Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cloud solutions with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what cloud solutions are and how they benefit businesses. Research the different Salesforce products available for investment. Consider your business needs to determine which Salesforce cloud solution aligns with your goals. Sign up for a Salesforce account to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with Salesforce's architecture and key features, such as its customer relationship management capabilities. Evaluate the pricing plans for Salesforce services to find an option that fits your budget. Take advantage of Salesforce's free trial to test the software before making any financial commitments. Attend webinars and training sessions offered by Salesforce for deeper insights into the product. Join Salesforce user communities and forums to network with other users and gain insights on best practices. Consider consulting with a Salesforce partner for guidance on integration and implementation strategies. Develop a clear investment strategy that outlines your objectives and expected outcomes from utilizing cloud solutions. Monitor industry trends and Salesforce updates to adjust your strategy as needed. Review case studies or success stories of businesses that have benefited from Salesforce cloud solutions. Implement the chosen Salesforce solution within your organization following best practices. Regularly assess the performance of your Salesforce investment to ensure it meets your business needs. Stay informed on new Salesforce releases and updates to maximize your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.